Hi, Danny back with video 2 on the shoulder blades. Please join in. You can sit or stand for this one. Let's protract and retract. Let's get really wide across the back. And you can flex your spine a bit and even tuck your pelvis and chin down here. And then bring your blades back. Exaggerate the squeeze and open the front. Slight extension of spine, slight untuck of pelvis. Neutral. Rounded. They may come up slightly. Video 1 had the elevation. Maybe there's a slight elevation as you do this, and as you bring back, maybe there's a slight depression as you exaggerate an upwardness of your posture, your rib cage coming through, and then your rib cage sinking and dropping. So very rounded and flexed. Head down, nice stretch up there. Then come through, maybe even take a step. Bring the ribs through, bring the blades back, a little down, then soften to the middle, to neutral. And just check in with that midpoint, that you're not left forwards and collapsed, you're not pinned back, you're not up or down, there's just the shoulders, shoulder girdle, nicely resting on the ribs beneath. If you haven't checked out the series of videos on the ribs, be sure to find those. Those would be a great series to play before this series. Okay, great job. Thanks for joining in today.